Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to convert XRP to USDT on Bybit in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to swap it for stable USDT, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll walk through it step by step, so you can do it confidently without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bybit account set up. If you don't, head over to the Bybit website, sign up, and verify your account. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where you can see all your cryptocurrencies, including your XRP balance. Now, for the conversion process. Look for the Convert or Trade option. Bybit has made this user-friendly in 2025 with updated interfaces. Select XRP as the asset you want to convert from, and choose USDT as the asset to convert to. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to swap. Bybit might show you the estimated USDT you'll receive, so keep an eye on that for any fees involved, which are usually minimal. Before you confirm, double-check the details. Crypto prices can fluctuate, so ensure you're happy with the exchange rate. Hit the Confirm button, and Bybit will process the transaction almost instantly. You'll see the update in your wallet: XRP deducted and USDT added. And that's it, you've successfully converted XRP to USDT. Remember, always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication and never share your keys. Trading involves risks, so only convert what you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next video.